28 taxi across runway 26, right turn uniform, hold short runway 29. Cross 26, Charlie, right on uniform, hold short 29, 6, 8, 26, 8, 28, sorry. Air China Freight 1067 heavy taxi across runway 26, contact tower 1184, holding short runway 35 left.
Delta runway 26, tower 1184, hold short to runway 35 left, Air China Freight 1067, get it.
Okay, 31 10, short 4 ground 121 on it. China 21 back, 21
Tower, good evening, Air China Freight 1067, taxi on Alpha.
China Freight 1067, Calgary Tower, good evening, hold short runway 35 left.
Hold short runway 35 left, Air China Freight 1067.
China Freight Carolina, runway 35 left.
I'm on the way to 35 left, Air China Freight 1067.
China Freight 1067, remain on this frequency, clear takeoff runway 35 left.
Remain frequency clear for takeoff 35 left, Air China Freight 1067.
Towers are okay for 1405, pushing for Texas. Air China Freight 1067,